Good afternoon. My name is the Hero Teacher, and I'll be your IELTS examiner for today's speaking test. I'd like to let you know that this session is being recorded for quality monitoring and assessment purposes. Could you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Farida Karimure.
And what should I call you?
Farida.
Great. Thank you, Farida. In this first part, I'd like to ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
Let's start with science and discovery. Are you interested in science?
From my point of view, I don't like in science.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's very boring for me. And in this part, I'm English teacher and I'm only interested in English than others.
Okay, I see. Would you ever consider a career in science or research?
Just about career?
Yeah, like would you like to continue your career in science for doing some research?
Yeah, I would like to continue only about my qualification, like the teacher. Yes, because being instructor is a favorite part in my life. I knew that I'm the favorite person in my students' life, and that's why yes, it makes me very happy.
Let's move on and talk about friends and social relationships. How do you usually keep in touch with your close friends?
Okay. Actually, I don't have any close friends. The first part is my mom, and the others 2 or 3 ones I have. And in this part, I don't like texting and calling someone, just writing only the time. Okay, we are meeting this cafe and we are gonna a lot of gossips with them. Yes, meeting is the best part.
Okay. Do you think it's easy to make new friends as an adult?
Great question. During this time, yes, and because when you are keeping the new people in your life, it's very hard because every person has its own perspectives, features, characters, and in this part, honestly, being good friend and being honest friend is harder than previous time.
What qualities do you think are most important in a good friend?
The main part for me is being honest. Yes. Because when someone is being honest, it means that, okay, they tell the lie. Sometimes it's normal because every person tells it. But when he's or she's being honest for me, it means that our relationship is going to be longer.
I'd like to ask you some questions about transport and getting around. What is the main form of transport you use day to day?
Underground, metro. Yeah, it's my best choice. I hate taxis. Oh my goodness, what is that? During the shower, I cannot just breathe in the car. Yes, but underground, when you go somewhere early, it makes the best choice. For example, when I'm coming here, I use the metro.
Okay.
Just 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
It takes 3 minutes, yeah.
Do you think public transport in your city is efficient?
In this part, it's very bad in our country, unfortunately, yes, because there are a lot of cars, and it makes this make the weather very bad. Yes, because about gasoline, about petrol, about underground, yes, it's okay, but it has a lot of people there. It makes, how can I say, like crowded, and it's very bad about the virus for the people nowadays after the coronavirus. And about the cars, yeah, for example, it's one house and there are 4 of them in their family, and every person has its own car. Yeah, it's very bad.
That's true. Thank you. Let's move on to part 2.
Okay.
In this part, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say and you can make notes if you wish.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'd like you to describe a goal or ambition you have that you're working towards or hope to achieve in the future. Here is your topic card, here is a pen, and your preparation 1 minute begins now. All right, that's 1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you please start talking now?
Okay, great. Um, my just goal and ambition for the future is being well-known business lady. Yes. It's a very important part for me because it was coming from my childhood. When I was a child, I said to my mom, I'm gonna be well-known, yes, business lady. And when I make this business and get a lot of money, I donate this money for charity. Yes. And in this part, my mom said, if you want it, you can do it. And in this part, and in additionally, you know the Ariana's music. I want it, I got it. Yes, I made it when I was 20. When I am just 23, I made my little business. It's little now, but yes, I'm gonna be continue it and make my own magazines shops.
Wow.
Yes, and then I wanted to be my own, just not business like brand. Yes. For example, my brand's called Farishta Vogue by Berry Looks.
Okay.
Yes, and berry is coming from strawberry because it's my favorite fruit. In this part, this became, and the first became aware of this ambition coming to me. I said, it's time, it's high time today. Not said next day, next day. Next day is not any chance to you. And in this part, I have, during these times, I didn't get any help from my mom, from my dad, only by myself. Yes, I had a lot of difficulties about it, but I got it. And in this part, this goal, yes, very, very vital for me because it's coming from my childhood. And I think I'm gonna be a well-known business lady all over the world.
Thank you. Is it easy to start a business in your country?
Not. It's very hard because the first part, speaking or making any contact with customers, very hard. Yes, all of them, not all of them, each of them is having all like, how can I say, personalities, and we can't adapt them. Okay, and in this part, when I'm just talking with them, it means they're my kids. Yes, I am taking care of them. Yes. Why? Because of my name of the brand. Yes.
Thank you. Could I have the card and the pen back, please?
Of course.
Thank you. Now, let's move on to part 3. We've been talking about personal ambitions and goals, and now I'd like to discuss some broader questions related to this. Let's think about motivation, innovation, and the role of ambition in shaping society and progress more generally. Do you think ambition is more influenced by a person's upbringing or by their individual character?
About ambitions.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it.
Where does the ambition of a person come from? Is it from the character or is it from the upbringing?
Maybe both of them are right. Yeah, actually, yes. But as far as I consider that, it's coming corrective. Because upbringing, okay, it's related to our family, mom and dad. After mom and dad, we have school, we have university, yeah. We only grow up ourselves.
Yes.
Yes. And during this part, you know, for she's bad, he's bad, or she's good, or he's rude. And you can make your own plans by yourself, and you know what you want from the life. And ambition is coming from the character from me.
Is it possible to be too ambitious?
Sometimes yes, sometimes not actually.
Okay.
According to me, being a lot of ambitions, the person, or a lot about it, really well.
Oh.
Yes. Why? Because I'm reading this plan.
Okay.
I'm eating this plan. Yes. And when someone doing his day with plans, it means that you are too ambitious.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
How important is individual creativity and ambition in driving technological and scientific progress?
Scientific progress or technological?
Yes. How important do you think ambition is for such progress?
You know, internet is more important during our life nowadays, and in this part, maybe technological.
Okay.
Why? Because uh, you know, we said if you are reading a lot, you don't know a lot of things. But if you are traveling a lot, instead you know a lot of things. It's like that. Yeah, technological everything. For example, internet, website, social life is more important about it. Yes.
Okay. Do you think current education systems do enough to encourage young people to think ambitiously about their lives, about their future goals?
I'm so sorry. Can you repeat again?
Sure. Do you think current education systems do enough to encourage young people to think ambitiously about their future life?
Exactly now.
Okay.
Because education is not the best part of our life. Okay, because for example, a lot of well-known people they didn't get any university. Yes, they didn't graduate from there, but they had own business.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's not related to education. And during this part, I think that only how can I say like kinesthetic side. Yes, practical side is more important, more vital than how can I say just education currently.
That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.